Good morning guys, happy Sunday. Welcome to today's vlog. If you guys watched my last one, I literally just finished it and then started this immediately, so I'm looking the same. I am about to get ready for the day. It is Sunday, December 8th, I think. Yeah, it's already December 8th, which is so crazy. I don't know where this month has gone already. So Alex and I are actually gonna go downtown today to do some fun holiday things. I have today off. I love when I have Sundays off of work. They're my favorite day of the week. Yeah, I'm just getting ready. Clearly, I'm just gonna have the shower. This is my first time doing my hair since I chopped it, which I did in my last vlog, so I will link that in case you guys didn't watch it. So yeah, I'm just getting ready for the day, and then I'll take you guys along with me and Alex on our little Christmas holiday adventure downtown today. So this is the face mask that I'm about to put on. It's the Cocoa Clear mask from Hello Body. I actually discovered their products because of a brand collab on Instagram, and I just really genuinely loved their stuff so much. So I still continue to use it every single day for my skincare routine. They have a really nice cleanser that I use. They also have a coffee scrub that is really nice. So I actually used that while I was in the shower to get rid of any dead skin or anything that would get in the way of the mask, so that it could really just clear out my pores. So this, me using the product right now, this is not sponsored. Like I said, this is me just genuinely loving everything that I tried from them, but my discount code still works. So I will put that on the screen in case you guys are interested in trying them. I was so blown away, and I really mean that. So this is probably my favorite face mask that I have ever used. So now that I look even more goofy than I did when I started this vlog, I'm gonna blow dry my hair. I'm just going through with some frizz cream to prep my hair. This is the Canon Frizz Control Leave-In treatment. I always go in with something to prep my hair, whether I'm blow drying it or not, just because my hair is naturally curly, so I need all the help that I can get. I use the Revlon One Step. This was literally the best thing that has ever happened to my hair. Total game changer. Drybar just came out with one too, so if you guys want me to do a video comparing like the $60 one to, I want to say there's this like $150, $175 maybe. If you guys want me to do a video comparing them, I totally will. It's in my cart on Ulta's website right now, just because I'm so curious about it, and you guys know I love Drybar. Okay, so I just finished actually getting ready, and I'm not crazy about the way that my hair looks. This was my first time trying to curl it since I cut it short, and I feel like it's just like a weird like dent in my hair, but there's nothing I can do about it now because my hair is like very fine, so when I straighten it or curl it, it doesn't hold anything else after that, if that makes sense. So tomorrow I will try to fix it up, but yeah, that's how my hair turned out. And then I just did my everyday kind of makeup. I recently started using the NYX BB cream again, which I used to use and love, and I ran out of my NARS one, which is obviously a hell of a lot more expensive than this. So I don't know, I'm really glad that I started using this again because I feel like it works very well. Actually, you know what, I'm just gonna show you guys all the stuff that I used on my face today, so give me one sec. So I already told you guys about the NYX BB cream. I always use some type of foundation or tinted moisturizer. I definitely prefer something that's more of a tinted moisturizer though. I just feel like it's a lot more natural and just the kind of look that I prefer to go for on a day-to-day basis. So I have this in the shade Nude. It only comes in 3 shades. This is the lightest of them. This is the Bendy Avocado Concealer from First Aid Beauty. If you prefer something a little bit more natural and lightweight, this does not look cakey under your eyes at all. It's definitely more of a hydrating formula, and I have this in the shade Light. And then moving on to face powder, this is the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural. I have this in the shade Light Plus. I never wanted to invest in an expensive face powder because I just kind of felt like it was a waste of money and they all look the same, but no, this has proven me wrong. It looks so beautiful on the skin. I love the finish of it, and I'm now hooked. Hoola bronzer from Benefit. I'm sure every single one of you has already tried this. It's the perfect color for a bronzer. It's not too orange, it's not too gray. You can use it to contour, or you could use it to just warm up your face a little bit. This is probably my 4th one of them. I don't even know how many of these I've gone through. I love the Tarte Exposed blush. When I worked at Ulta, I would sell so many of these just because of how flattering the shade is on so many different skin tones. And then the highlight that I use, I feel like this is such an underdog. It's not really talked about a lot, but it's the Tarte highlighter in the shade Stunner. All my friends know that I'm obsessed with this. It's the only highlighter that I use. That's what it looks like. Clearly I've hit pan on it. And this is already my 3rd one. And clearly I'm gonna need another one soon because of how much is gone from here. But I just absolutely love this highlighter. I feel like I've never heard anyone else talk about it, but it looks so good on your skin. Gives you that really glowy look, but it's not sparkly or chunky glitter by any means. And then mascara is the one makeup product that I probably get the most questions on. This one is definitely one of my favorites. I've used so many of them throughout the years. If you guys can't tell from the trend, these are all products that I really love, not just things that I'm liking in the moment. It's a really good drugstore mascara. I've used mascaras that are $2.99. I've used mascaras that are $30, and I find that I always come back to this. That's my little makeup spiel for you. If you guys want me to actually do like a tutorial, or once I get my hair situation figured out, if you want me to show you guys how I get into a routine of curling my short hair, just let me know what kind of beauty videos you guys want. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed. Alex is gonna be picking me up soon. Okay guys, so I'm with the boy now. We're on our way downtown for shenanigans. It's actually really nice out. It's like 50 degrees, so I'm glad that we're doing this today because I get cold real easy.
If you're from the south, you're lucky because 50 degrees at this time of the year is like summertime.
Yeah, ready to tan, ready to go to the pool.
No fake tanning today?
No, I haven't fake tanned in so long. I don't have time for that. My nails have been grown out for like 3 weeks now. My thumb is not even painted because—
Sporting the nude shade.
Yeah, it's a look really. I just haven't had time for any of that kind of stuff, so I'm just a busy bee. Nothing exciting right now.
You should have fun.
We're gonna have so much fun. So we just got downtown. Are you weird with me doing this out in public?
No, it's just totally surprising. I didn't know we were gonna be.
I haven't vlogged like this in so long. It feels really good. But we just got downtown. We're gonna go to a restaurant. Oh, you're so much taller than me. I'm like, oh, here's Alex's shoulder. Yeah. We're gonna go to this place called Floor 2. We were gonna go for brunch, but now it's like 12:30, so.
It might be on floor 2, it might be on floor 3, we don't know.
Oh wow, you're funny. They have some really funny drink options, like the brunch punch. I feel like that could be anything. The cereal punch. It's like cereal, legit breakfast cereal stuff. So I might try one of these. It sounds really good. Look at the drink that Alex got. It's called cereal. What was it? Cereal punch? Yeah. There's literal cereal in it. And then I just got a Aperol spritz because I'm, you know, not adventurous. But I really want to try that. Do you want to try it on camera?
It's really good.
You made a good choice.
Yeah? I tend to do that.
Mine's more breakfast.
Yeah?
Yeah. Most people say phone eats first, but when you're me, camera eats first. Everything looks so good. Alex, what's your favorite part about being downtown right now?
You know, just the Christmas spirit, the joy, everything that goes
Not the cars.
With Christmas. Just, oh, these?
Oh, these little guys.
Yeah.
You want to sit in and get a picture taken?
So we just walked around Market Square for a little bit, which is where the tree is, and then we came to the Strip District, which, if you guys aren't from Pittsburgh and you don't know what either of those places are, Market Square is like literally a square in the city that's like lined with restaurants and stuff, and then they have the ice rink over there.
Not a cube?
No, not a cube, it's just a square. And then the Strip District is a little bit further away, and it's like a really famous part of the city. So we're just gonna walk around. They have all like the markets and like a lot of famous restaurants. Yeah.
Actually, Aaron and I's first date was down in the Strip District.
Yes,
so.
it was. And fun fact, I don't eat any seafood, and he took me to a seafood restaurant. So
I didn't know that. It was just a surprise. So
yeah, he was trying to surprise me with everything. So I had to get a like spinach pasta thing, but
you liked it.
Yeah, it was good. And clearly you didn't scare me away because I'm still here almost 9 months later. So yeah, we're gonna go on adventure number 2 for the day. Are we going anywhere special, or are we just walking around?
I don't know, there's a cool coffee or chocolate shop.
A coffee shop?
Chocolate shop.
Okay. So we walked around a little bit, and we actually did some Christmas shopping, so I can't show you guys any of the stuff that we got because the people that I shopped for are gonna watch this video. But we had a successful day out in the city. My hair's so short. I keep wanting to throw it over my shoulder and I can't. Do you have a fun day, QB?
Yeah. Just get started.
Just getting started. It's like 4 o'clock. I'm ready for bed.
We had a good day today.